Hey YouTube, I am back with another video, and in this video is bittersweet type shit. So the day has finally come. I'm going back to Michigan with my daughter, of course. So I've been here since January, y'all. It's April 1st today. It's April 1st. Y'all not gonna see this video till the weekend maybe. So this video is basically a vlog, a regular vlog of, spend a day with me type. So right now, y'all, we finna get ready to go. We just packed the stuff in the car, and I'm the driver, so I'm not really gonna be on the phone like that.
Oh my
but God.
So you over here vlogging, and then everybody screaming,
Y'all, they literally are going back and forth as like, oh, the street is busy, I'm not gonna make it to work on time, da 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 da. Just get in the car.
She don't want to go with us.
But yeah, without no further ado, we'll see y'all in the next clip. Oh, we're leaving Mama. We're leaving Mommy.
Rita.
Bye, say Mom. Bye.
Why the hell she dancing?
So yeah, we finna get ready to go. And Mami me tiene panino en ya YouTube. Y cámara. But we'll see y'all when we make it to the airport. Say bye.
She still dancing?
She's still saying bye. Look at her. She's saying bye to her granddaughter. Okay. I swear you got me losing my mind. Me and Nadia just got our boarding passes. Ricano's currently... Who the fuck is Ricano? Oh, Bara's currently doing hers. And, but yeah, we finna go through TSA, so.
Aw, thank you. Thank you.
Then I tell y'all that's all they been saying all goddamn week. I love my body. But we are 2 hours early, and TSA not even that bad. Mind you, the lines be all the way in the back where we came from. So, we just gonna go eat. Yeah, tell me why I left my baby water for her bottle of milk at home. Now I gotta buy some.
Thank you. Oh, why you ain't say nothing? And that's what yours look like.
I'm good for shit, I'm tired. So we decided to get Jack. They didn't have the Red Bull drink that I wanted.
Somebody told me, who the fuck is Papa?
Grandpa.
Why you guys ain't say it was Papa?
That's his grandpapa. Let me decline. We're gonna chit chat in the meantime.
I think I heard. So, what's your name?
Call me Kiwi. That's what they called me in elementary.
What for food?
I think it's a vegetable.
Your daughter can't be smarter.
I'm just playing, damn. Yeah, kiwi the fruit. What about you? What's your name?
Rah rah.
Okay, cheers.
Because, that's all we got. That's all we can afford.
Ricano seen some other Africans, and y'all, she was
Your
so
aunties?
She was so like, let's go say hi, let's go do
Other
this.
Africans
Let's
or
go.
your aunties?
The people were boarding. She was trying to run.
Other Africans or your auntie?
I don't know though.
Yes, you do. And why are you chewing fries like that?
Bitch, because I can't eat girl.
Something off.
My head got a little big. Woo!
It's your camera.
It is, look. I don't want to put everybody else in there because we could get sued.
No, see? It's the airport.
Hold it, see?
Okay. He's a
Now you can just go in here.
Y'all, he look like he got money. I ain't got time. I can't battle that. I can't battle no cases right now.
I'm rich. I'll handle it. Put it up. We're back, y'all.
She was literally begging for money.
Begging for money, Howard? No, I wasn't. Begging money where?
She literally was begging for money. Somebody, I used the money. Yeah, I'm here. Ranch, Jack in the Box ranch, and a curly fries. Bomb.
Oh, Nadia, I want some too.
Both nostrils, bitch. What bubbles?
Bubble or yellow bubble.
I mean, that's
Play that shit.
it's called peanut pollution. Let me tell you what it is before you judge. Pollution, like, basically keeps the plane from like crashing.
Your face finna pop out your damn eyelids. Oh, yeah.
It's basically just filled with gravity and pollution, and that's how we stay up in the sky. Peanut pollution.
Y'all will see y'all. Well, I'm gonna see y'all because Ray is in the back door.
I'm literally in seat 18. She in seat 20. You're further than me.
Wow.
All right.
But
This damn connecting flight.
when we in the airplane. Just made it to Detroit.
And we gotta get on, Kate.
And my baby is hungry.
We gotta get going.
And
you gotta walk in.
we gotta run. But y'all, we finna feed her, and these goddamn suitcases is hurting my good sis hand, my hand.
Should have never agreed to do this. I should stay home.
Y'all look at her stretching. Like, bye y'all. We finna feed my baby while we walk. So y'all, we in the second airplane. She asked for the man's if I could be by her.
No, he just gave it to me.
Yeah, I was struggling
You
in
look
the
kid. You look kid.
You
That's
just said I look good.
I look. All that running away in the damn suitcase.
Y'all, we was in the first plane.
What?
Y'all, I was by myself. I wasn't there, so I struggled. But Nadia did real good. Like, she wasn't crying, nothing. And she's up right now. She's stretching. Y'all, why they saying that we're gonna be going through a turbulence? Stop. I think I experienced it before, but I want to catch it on camera. And then they said it was a 21-minute ride. Hey, make sure you just don't fall. Allahu Laila. You ready to looking back and editing. Give it up for my good sis for reading it. We made it home safe. But you did your thing, girl. Shut up, animals. Yeah, they do best of us. Okay, back to the video. I just got home and look what my husband surprised me with. My birthday in a couple of hours. An hour or whatever. Y'all. That is pretty. Hold on. Y'all, this is gonna conclude the video because I'm gonna wrap it up. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all soon.